Hi everyone. The next topic we are going to learn today is properties and application of carbon nanotubes. It has been abbreviated as CNT. We had already saw in the previous video what is meant by carbon nanotubes, what are all the types of carbon nanotubes, how it has been manufactured. So everything we saw. Why carbon nanotube created an interest? That is one question. Carbon nanotubes came to know to the world by around 2004. So when they came to know about this nanotubes made of graphene, they understood that this will going to create a revolution in an electronic industry. Why it is going to create a revolution in the electronic industry? Because it having a very different property when compared to the copper, aluminum or whatever we are using in the everyday life today. So we are going to understand that why it is so important to study about or learn about this carbon nanotube. So for that we are going to see the properties and application of those nanotubes. So first we will see about the properties. The first property, having high electrical conductivity, that is around 4 into 10 power 9 ampere per centimeter square. If it has been added with some little amount of metal, when carbon nanotube is added with little amount of conducting metal, its conductivity is increased by many fold. So they are expecting it has been increased up to 1000 times greater than a copper, normal copper we are using. So imagine if 1000 folds the conductivity has been increased, means what are all the things we can do without losing energy. So this is the first one of the important property of the carbon nanotube. High tensile strength is the second property. So if you take the strength or compare the strength between steel and this carbon nanotube, it is again it is around 1000 times fold increased when compared to the normal steel. So we know that steel having a greater strength, but the carbon nanotube crosses this strength, which is around the tensile strength is 63 gigapascal. So which means in this dot, if you take the cross section of any carbon nanotube of diameter of this dot and some length, say some 15 centimeter to 20 centimeter length, so this cross section or this diameter size carbon nanotube will carry around 6500 kilograms, that is 6.5 tons of the weight it will carry. So which is unimaginable, right? And third property is highly flexible. I already told you about the OLED flexibility. Like that, this carbon nanotube panels or whatever you are going to do with this carbon nanotubes will be very flexible. You can make it to bend, so that much flexibility it is having. Then next property is highly elastic. It is very elastic and highly, it having high conductivity in terms of heat. So it will conduct around 3500 watt per meter Kelvin, which is 10 times greater than a normal copper. So it will, so normally if anything is conducting electricity, means it will also conduct heat. And the next is low thermal expansion coefficient. That is, every material having its thermal expansion coefficient ratio. So for heat it will get expanded. It having low thermal expansion coefficient means it will not affect that much for a heat. That's what the meaning is. Good aspect ratio. Aspect ratio means length to diameter. Length and diameter ratio is very good. As I already previously said, this small diameter will carry enough strength, more than the whatever you are imagining. So length to diameter ratio is very high. And good electron emitter. It will emit electron when it is heated. And the last property is thermal stability. It will be stable. It won't get easily melted away or vaporized. So in vacuum, when it is kept in 2800 degrees C, it won't get affected. This nanotube will not get affected, so that it is heat resistant. It will withstand this much of heat also. So if you see all the properties which is beyond our limit. So today's if you take the today's everyday technology or whatever you are seeing now, it is almost 10 to 100 fold increased. All the, in terms of efficiency, in terms of everything, it has been increased. That's why the carbon nanotubes are very fascinating to all the peoples who are in electronic industries. And coming from this property, what are all the application we can make? So that's very important for any kind of topic, right? So first application, it will be used in aerospace industry. As it is having high strength and low weight, so it will be having only a feather weight for a greater amount of material. So we can use it in aerospace to make a good efficient aircraft, engines, everything. We can make aeroplane bodies, as it is having a low weight and high strength ratio, which is very effective, or which is very essential for the aerospace industry. And the next application is nanoscale electronic devices. As I already said, this electronic industry is going to see a greater application with this carbon nanotubes. That's why this much of importance for the carbon nanotubes. And the next thing is battery application. So carbon nanotubes can be used as a battery electrodes for its efficient conductivity. Due to its efficient conductivity, it is used as wires and also as electrodes in batteries. So they can in semiconductor or electronic industry, carbon nanotubes can be used as wires inside the microprocessor chips, everything, for the connectivity between the devices. And also a transistor can be made from this carbon nanotube in future. Next one is flat panel monitors. We already saw LED, OLED monitors, and then the quantum dot LED monitors. So likewise, with the use of carbon nanotubes, we can make a flat panel monitors, and it is effective in shielding the electromagnetic radiation. It will shield all the electromagnetic radiation like microwave, radio wave, everything which is used in a military application or any other kind of application where the electromagnetic radiation, any kind of electromagnetic radiation has to be shielded. And one of those important industry, next one is medical industry, which need a greater efficient devices for the health of the human life and other organisms, right? So one of those paper also said that this carbon nanotubes can be used for a connectivity between the neurons, in between the nerves. So when it has been nerve has been damaged, we can use this carbon nanotube as a connective wires between those neurons to get the connectivity back, which is one of the fascinating application what I read. And the next application is gas sensor. So when this carbon nanotube has been coated with any kind of metal, it will be used as a sensor. So I will share you a separate 2 videos for how the carbon nanotubes type has been manufactured or how it has been folded, which I explained in the previous video. How what are all the axes you can use to fold the carbon nanotube. So one of the video which will help to understand those folding of carbon nanotubes, and another video I will share you how this carbon nanotube can be used to make a gas sensor. So gas will be having so any kind of gas in the environment, it is made up of atom. So if that gas atom has been get deposited in the carbon nanotube with gold or any other strip, so this kind of combination, if that atom has been deposited in that, its electrical conductivity or resistivity will get affected. By that we can sense what is the type of gas has been deposited on the electrode. So which has been used as a gas sensor to sense the gas. So which is one of the military application also. And it has been used as a catalyst. Catalyst means it will make to speed the any kind of reaction. So carbon nanotubes can be used as a catalyst for some kind of chemical reactions. Then it can be used to make composites. Composite is you know what is meant by composite. So in everyday life, in the construction, we are using a cement and the iron rod, which is one of the composite. So composite consists of matrix and another thing, like cement will be considered as a matrix, and then the wire, which is the iron rod. So both will combine a composite. Composite means more than 2 or 3 combined to form a structure. We call it as a composite. Human body is also a composite, which is composed of muscle with skeleton. So one of the strengthened material with the elastic material. So this kind of combination in a human body is also a kind of composite. For understanding I am saying. So likewise cement, concrete. So those are all a kind of composite. Likewise you can use the carbon nanotube mesh or wire. With that you can use any kind of cement or whatever you need, rubber, anything like a plastic. You can add this carbon nanotube with anything to make a composite. So for composite it is as it is having a greater strength, you can make it to, you can use this to make a composite. So I hope you understand the properties and application of carbon nanotubes and why the carbon nanotube is so important. As this carbon nanotubes having a good unimaginable property, it having many kind of application in addition to those whatever listed here. So thanks for listening.